Romy from Aveksana. In this video, I will show you how you can find an innovative and new topic according to your interest and your goal of research. So in this thesis specification, I have chosen I need a topic. And in this box, I have already formulated quite clearly what my research should be about. So I want to look into motivational aspects in context of second language acquisition. I also have the option to include major and minor. Now start exploring topics. Here I can click on formulate topics. This will cost me a credit and will take only a few minutes. So now Aveksana has created a list of 5 different topics on the base of my idea. If these 5 options are not really what I want, I can first click here on reformulate topics. This will also cost me a credit. Now we have successfully formulated not just 5, but 10 topics. But to really make an informed decision when there are 2 topics that are close to my interest, I can also compare 2 topics, slide to right, and here I could select 2 of the options with these 2 topics and compare. This will cost me another credit. Now 2 topics are compared. I first see the research topic, then Aveksana also shows me topic summaries, so I can read these and already get a better understanding of what these 2 topics would be about. And then I can see how big the research gap is. So also you can find in the help section what this number really means. In general, it is better to have a smaller percentage how much the research topic is already covered in the research. The smaller is better, but if you have a very small number, it also means that there is not too much of research literature available. So here we could already log our topic, or we can go back. Now that I have compared 2 topics, I could take this off, and I would rather go for examining autonomous learning strategies for enhancing English vocabulary gain. But it's still not quite what I would like to research. I can also click on the refine option. So this will narrow down my topic with this refine feature. So this is the first time refinement. So here I can go, but I could refine another time. This will narrow down my topic even more. And I can also choose from these options and refine one more time. The refinements are restricted to 3 stages. So here I can choose a topic. I can also, of course, go backwards, only work with the first or second refinement, and come here. This is the topic I'm most interested in, and log this topic. Logging a topic will also cost me 1 credit. So now that I have logged the topic, I am also viewed a topic summary. This will be really helpful when building my proposal. I also have the research gap here. So this refined option has 11.32% relevance. So it means my topic has low coverage in the existing literature. It is highly likely to be a research gap. Here you can also see recommendations. So with the help of Aveksana, I can find a suitable research method So Aveksana suggests me, based on existing research literature, that mixed methods approach could be useful, and now I could go to speak to my supervisor and work out my proposal. So next step, I could continue with reading materials. But for example, I have started reading into the literature, or I have discussed with my supervisor, and my supervisor says that, okay, this is not so feasible in the context of my thesis. We could still go back and reformulate or refine our topic. But I will keep my thesis topic like this and go to the next step, reading materials. And how this works, I will show you in a next video. Thank you for watching.